نتعرف من جديد في دبي آرت على فنانين من مختلف أنحاء العالم، ونلقي نظرة على لوحاتهم التي تعبر عن أحاسيسهم وتعطينا فكرة عن ثقافتهم وعاداتهم وتقاليدهم. وجودهم في دبي يضيف الكثير لمهاراتهم وأفكارهم بسبب تعدد الجنسيات والثقافات، الأمر اللي يزيد من إبداعهم وحبهم للتفكير خارج الصندوق. بدايتنا هذا الأسبوع مع الفنان أزمات ديزانالييف الذي أتى من قرقستان إلى دبي ليعرفنا على نوع غير مألوف من الفن باستخدام المسامير والخيوط. كل التفاصيل عنه وعن فنه اللي يحمل اسم سترينج آرت مع زميله إسن.
Super. Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan. My name is Esen. I am the team member of the Kyrgyz group, which has the name in English Great Kyrgyz Trail. First of all, we would like to express our respect, and then I would like to introduce our artist. His name is Azamat Janaliyev from Kyrgyz Republic, from beautiful country, Pearl of Central Asia. And then he is an artist who's using the unusual way. He is the painting famous people in the style of string art, but by travel. And he's not just an artist, at the same time he's the writer, traveler. His each portrait like explain us propaganding peace between the people, and then love and the friendship. Yeah. Actually, Azamat Janaliyev, he was traveling. He dreamed to travel. At the same time, he was dreaming. He loved to make portraits. How to say, the paints, and then he got his talent when he was 6 years old. Actually, in Kyrgyzstan, we are using the different way to build the houses, and then when we are putting the wall, we are using the thread and the nails by beating and then covering all the walls. So in this case, he was doing the job, and he was trying to make an image, you know, like a portrait. And then from there, he starts to work. Before, actually, he was, as I already mentioned, he studied for the architect. And by profession, he's an architect. And then during the study, he was painting by pen, just a normal pen and an oil. And then each portrait, each picture, he was sending to use this way to, I mean, like he was selling the portraits and pictures, and then each earned money he was using for the charity. So for this type of the art, we call it a string art. String art, it's a portrait which is created by nails and then thread. So let's say from far there is two visions. You can see from far the unique portrait, and then if you will come close by, you will see the nails and then threads, which is explaining us. Actually, the string art, the master do each the portraits by master propaganding us. For example, if you will take the nails, it's you and me, and then threads are connection between us. So let's say by creating unique portraits, he is propaganding to the world. He's leaving the trail at the same time. Yeah. Basically, for each portrait, it takes 7 days by working hard. Definitely, for talented people, they will work on hard, and then I don't know. I tried once. I tried to help him to connect the threads, and then trust me, it's very hard work to get it, and then it needs like passion. And then from there, if you will come close by, you can see each details, how it works, how it looks.
جولتنا الفنية ضمن دبي آرت لم تنتهي بعد، سنلقي نظرة ثانية على هذه اللوحات الخشبية الرائعة مع إسن زميل الفنان أزمات ديزانوليف الذي لديه كل التفاصيل عن الإبداع والدقة والسرعة في طريقة تنفيذها. للوهلة الأولى يبدو وكأنه فن سهل وبسيط، لكن في الواقع وكما ترون في الخلفية يحتاج الأمر للمسة فنان حقيقي ولإبداع في التنفيذ للحصول على هذه الأشكال المتناسقة والوجوه الأقرب إلى الواقع.
So, actually the artists are really talented, and then in each job what they are doing, they're coming in trends, with the feeling. For example, Azamat Janalif, when he's working on a portrait, we cannot disturb him, He can just wake up on the midnight and then start to do, Because the feeling, it's like, we cannot explain by word, That's the thing that the string artist, by him, from him. It's not just only the nails and the thread. Yeah, so the first of all, Azamat Janalif had a lot suggestions from Russia, from other countries, and then why he chose Dubai? Because Dubai, UAE, it's a developing country day by day. We can notice, and then as we know, here a lot nationalities, and then for everything, each details, Dubai is focusing on and then paying attention. That's why he chose here. And then regarding the connection, that's the main important thing, that each nails and then threads explains our relation, how we are doing, how we are making the team, even at the work, even at the project, and etc. This is a connection between us. That's why we are propaganding his job. How all we know, United Arab Emirates, it's one of the best developing countries in the world. And then Azamat was dreaming to come and then visit and then meet the Sheikhs and then formers who made the who aided the nice part for the formation of United Arab Emirates. Especially for that, Azamat made the United Arab Emirates flag for the 45 years of anniversary, and then he mentioned on that the picture UAE's flag, at the same time 7 Sheikhs as well. After finishing the first World String Art Exhibition, we are planning to move to Europe and then continue our project, Ulu Kyrgyz Easy, which has then meaning Great Kyrgyz Trail. We will do the exhibition in there, and then by traveling, inshallah, we will live peace. We will continue propaganda, love, friendship, and peace in the world. So the last speech I would like to leave to string art master Azamat Janalif, and then definitely I will translate in English. Azamat.
Assalamu alaikum. Ушул күнгө жеткирген мен кыргыз элиме, бардык дүйнөдөгү элине ыраазычылыктарымды айтам. Бар болуңуздар, силер менен улуу кыргыз изи Азамат Жаналиев.
Yes, so as he already mentioned, we would like to express our gratitude to Kyrgyzstan because they are the main reason that we reached this level. And then thank you to United Arab Emirates for your support. And definitely we will wait for you in our exhibition. Thank you.